These are the elevators at the parking pair at Cityline, Sunnyvale.
Going down.
These are identical to the parking orange. Wow, that was a big drop.
Basement.
Basement? Going up.
Going up.
Ew, that's a dirty door track. Whoa. Let's have some fun with that leveling.
Fourth floor. Going down. Going down.
Oh my god, how far is it
Going
gonna
down.
go? Yo.
Please stand clear of the closing door. Going down.
What the hell? Oh, did I just break it? Okay, let's not do that anymore.
Basement. Going up.
Wow, it goes down on here too. Oh, this one's broken.
Going up.
Let's go to 1. Look at this. I don't know why older Gen 2s do that. Look at that.
First floor. Going down.